Whoa, look at that. You just see it? This feels like butter.
You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Eisha Taylore. Yeah.
If your hair is limp and dry and not receiving products like they usually are, you probably need a bentonite clay reset. And that is exactly what we're going to do today, along with trying a new deep conditioner, which is bomb, y'all. Let's start off with our Indian Healing Clay Mask. If you've never done one before, then this is exactly what you have to do. I use apple cider vinegar just because it gets my hair even more clean. You can only use plastic utensils, no metal cups, bowls, or forks, or spoons. I use the fork, but it doesn't matter. So you pour as much as you need. I have a lot of hair, so I needed quite a bit. The consistency really depends on how you like it personally. Just make sure it's not super dry. So I just go back and forth with figuring out the consistency and texture that I personally want. Again, it's just a look and feel. So I applied some apple cider vinegar, then I applied more clay and more apple cider vinegar, and so on and so forth. Again, you can use water. If you use water, make sure it's distilled water, but this is the consistency that I liked, and that's what I went with. So make sure that you have a spray bottle handy and section off your hair. This is going to be very important. You need to spray your hair. Make sure it's super saturated, and you're gonna apply this thing like a relaxer, okay? It gave me PTSD. It made me think of them days when I had a relaxer. But you make sure that you get this on your scalp, because remember, we're cleaning our scalp. Apply more water and saturate it along your whole hair strand, okay? This is going to be a hair mask. Essentially, it's pulling all the impurities from your hair, so make sure it's saturated from root to tip. Apply more water just to make sure that clay is getting into your hair and it's not tugging at your hair, okay? So let's repeat, okay? You're splitting your hair, saturating it, get them roots, baby girl. Apply it like a relaxer. No strands left behind, so put it all over your hair and then repeat. Got it? Cool.
15 minutes later.
Alright, so I just washed out the Aztec mask. My hair feels super clean. I also shampooed with Olaplex #4 just to get my roots. Totally optional, you don't have to do that. I just had a lot of gel in my hair and I wanted to make sure my hair was super clean. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like. Honestly, the front of my hair can look a lot better. Since I got my hair cut, it's actually gotten worse. I don't know. So the deep conditioner we're going to be trying today is something new. It's by Amika. I've never tried anything from this brand. If you have, let me know in the comments below. But this is the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Mask. It's part of like the Sephora Partners campaign, so I was able to try this. But y'all know, regardless if I'm sent something, I give my honest truth and thoughts. So this is an intense moisture mask and my hair is really dry, so I'm hoping this will give me what I need. Yo, right off the bat, I noticed how good this stuff smells. It smells like a perfume, and this is extra creamy. Does it pass my test? Yep, it's extra creamy. I used to do this test all the time, that if I turn it over, it's extra creamy. It's do you guys see that? Look at that. Whoa, it feels like, oh, it feels like a curling cream. Wait, intense moisture mask. Okay, I just want to make sure I bought the right product, because this feels like a curling cream. Amika, I'm about to go see what other products y'all got. Well, okay, hold on. Let me calm down. Let me calm down, because you know I don't really believe in something until I wash it out. Initial thoughts is that it feels amazing. I love the consistency. I love the smell. I don't remember the price for it. I'll put that on the screen to see if the price is worth the conditioner. But I love the application. It's giving me amazing slip. My hair was actually really tangled on this wash day, and I can literally finger detangle. Whoa, this feels like clouds. Like, this feels like butter. Whoa, look at that. You just see it. Where's my phone? I need to instantly find some other products. If their deep conditioner feels like this, imagine if they have stylers or a leave-in conditioner. My hair was dry and this literally soaked it up. Like, I don't know if you can see on camera, but there's no deep conditioner residue. Like, I would almost like use this product as a styler. All right, let me continue this wash day in peace because I'm kind of overwhelmed. I want to enjoy the scent. I want to enjoy the consistency, and I want to stop talking. So. Alright y'all, so I just washed out the Amika deep conditioner and I have so many thoughts. Y'all. First of all, love the smell. I need to see how much it really is, but I'm pretty sure I don't really care how much this is because I'm definitely repurchasing. I also want to see what other products they have because this is a bomb. So Bae walked in here when I was filming and he was like, "Did you spray perfume?" And I'm like, "No." He was like, "That's your hair?" And I'm like, "Yeah, my hair smells amazing." So Amika, if you want to make a fragrance spray, I will definitely purchase, okay? Besides the smell, because that's not what we're here for. This has amazing slip, amazing moisture, washed out my hair, and my hair is pillow soft. Y'all see the curls? Y'all see it? I mean, you see the damage too, but you see that before the damage is is curls. Like, my hair is so hydrated. I haven't felt my hair like this in such a long time. Now, it could be a combination of the fact that I completely stripped my hair. I obviously did the Aztec clay mask, so that was an amazing base to then receive this product. But the makeup of this product, I feel like would have been bomb regardless if my hair was completely stripped. You know what I mean? I mean, you should be deep conditioning on freshly washed hair anyway, so you know what I'm trying to say. This product is amazing. It's definitely going to be part of my stash from now on. I feel like I'm going to be reaching for this a lot, not only because it smells amazing, it has slip, it really penetrated into my hair strands, left my hair soft and shiny. Like, again, y'all see this, y'all see it, and I am blown away. Like, I don't have anything bad to say about this. I was not familiar with Amika before trying this deep conditioner, so I'm very new to the brand. They have different deep conditioners. So the mask that I just used is the Intense Moisture one. They also have a Nourishing Hair Mask. They have an Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner with hyaluronic acid, which is the same line that we just tried. I think I'm definitely gonna pick that up. They have a Bond Repair Hair Mask. Ooh, I might pick that up too because this damage is not cute. They have a lot of products. Why am I now? They have a curl enhancing gel. Say less. So I'm going to be picking up the curl enhancing gel, the leave-in conditioner, and the curl defining cream. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because that is definitely coming. And they have a hydrating hair oil with hyaluronic acid. I'm set. I am very pleased with this Amika line. I can't say enough things about it. Definitely check them down below. Links will be down there. Purchase, splurge. I feel like, and I've said this before in another video, but as I get older, I am spending more time on quality products that are for my skin. Again, video coming soon. For my hair, food I eat, etc. Like, I'm getting older. I can't be buying cheap products and expecting good results. Well, sometimes it happens, but you know what I mean? Like, sometimes cheap products just lack in ingredients, and I'm not sacrificing that anymore. So the fact that this left my hair super soft and super hydrated, mind you, my hair is air drying right now and it's still super soft. Usually when I air dry right after deep conditioner, my hair will just poof up and be dry. But this is still super shiny and looks gorgeous. So anyway, again, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and check out other reviews on my channel because y'all know I love doing reviews. And I will most definitely catch you guys in the next one. Peace.